Welcome to our channel. You think you know food? You think you know how to survive? 2025 is right around the corner, and let me tell you, it's going to be a bloody train wreck if you don't get your finances in order. That's why we're diving headfirst into the $1 meal challenge. You heard me right, one measly dollar to fuel your body and stop you from whining like a starving donkey. We're talking about real food, not that processed rubbish. We'll cover meal ideas that'll make you forget you're on a budget, healthy choices that won't leave you feeling like you're eating rabbit food, and meal prep planning so precise it would make a drill sergeant weep. And for those of you who think shopping for food in bulk is only for hoarders, get that ridiculous thought out of your head right now. We'll show you how to buy smart and save money in the long run. So buckle up, you lot, because we're about to turn your kitchens from disaster zones into lean, mean, budget-busting machines. Listen up, you Muppets, this isn't MasterChef. You can't just wander around the kitchen tossing in whatever ingredients you fancy. We're on a budget, which means we need a plan of attack. Fail to prepare and you prepare to fail. It's as simple as that. First things first, you need to know what you're eating for every single meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, write it all down. And don't even think about telling me you don't have time for this. If you can scroll through those ridiculous cat videos for hours, you can spare 5 minutes to plan your meals. This is your battle plan against impulse buying and wasting food. Every time you go off script, you're throwing money in the bin. And trust me, in this economy, you need every penny you can get your hands on. Now let's talk ingredients. I know what you're thinking. $1 a meal? That's just rice and beans, right? You're bloody right it is. But don't you dare turn your nose up at these humble ingredients. They're cheap, they're versatile, and they're packed with more nutrients than you can shake a stick at. We're talking about lentils, chickpeas, oats, potatoes, the backbone of a budget-friendly diet. And don't forget about seasonal vegetables. They're cheaper and tastier than those out-of-season imposters. Frozen vegetables are your friend too, locked in fresh and ready to go. This isn't about being fancy, it's about being smart. Use your imagination, experiment with spices, and I guarantee you'll be surprised at the delicious and nutritious meals you can whip up on a shoestring budget. Listen, you lot, stop being scared of big bags and jumbo sizes. Buying in bulk is like having an arsenal of ingredients ready to deploy against hunger. Yes, the initial cost might seem higher, but in the long run, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Think of it like this. Would you rather pay a premium for those tiny, overpriced portions at the supermarket? Or would you rather stock up on a year's worth of rice, beans, and oats at a fraction of the cost? It's common sense, isn't it? And don't even get me started on spices. Those tiny jars they sell at the grocery store are a ripoff. Buy your spices in bulk from ethnic markets or online, and you'll save a small fortune. Now let's get down to business. It's time to unleash your inner chef and create some bloody delicious meals that won't break the bank. Remember that lentil soup I mentioned earlier? Toss in some chopped carrots, celery, and a bay leaf, and you've got yourself a hearty and flavorful meal for pennies. Or how about a black bean and sweet potato chili? It's packed with protein and fiber, and it's so damn tasty you'll forget you're on a budget. And don't even think about throwing away those leftover roasted chicken bones. Boil them up with some vegetables for a soul-soothing chicken stock that will form the base for countless budget-friendly meals. The possibilities are endless. You just need to be willing to get creative. And who knows, you might even surprise yourself with your newfound culinary skills. Alright, you've got your bulk ingredients, you've cooked up a storm. Now it's time to make sure none of your hard work goes to waste. Proper storage is crucial, especially if you're buying in bulk. You don't want to be opening your pantry to find a science experiment growing out of your rice bag, do you? First things first, invest in some airtight containers. Those flimsy bags from the supermarket are just begging for your food to go stale. Label everything clearly with the date and store it in a cool, dark place. And for God's sake, don't overcook. It's better to have too little than to be tossing out half a pot of lentils. Remember, we're on a mission to save money, and that means respecting the ingredients and minimizing waste. Well, there you have it, you bunch of misfits. You've now got all the tools you need to conquer the $1 meal challenge and survive the financial apocalypse of 2025. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about being resourceful, creative, and taking control of your finances. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more budget-friendly living tips. And if you think you can handle it, join the $1 meal revolution and share your own budget-busting recipes and tips in the comments below. Let's show the world that eating well doesn't have to cost the earth.